Hi everyone, this is Anna Breeze. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to share with you about my book, The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose. And I'm going to be reading the introduction for you. So if you're someone who's empathic and cares about the planet, where we're headed as a collective in these very interesting times that we live in today, as we all evolve consciously, then I think you'll enjoy this book. It's a self-discovery journey as well as an interesting read about unity and the relationship we have with ourselves and our environment, the animals and Mother Earth. So it's really a journey of awakening and self-discovery. So get yourself comfortable or pause and make a cup of tea and we'll get into it. I'm going to be recording these chapters and videos for you so you can follow along with the playlist that I'll have on my channel, and it's there for you as a resource anytime you like. I don't know if I'll record all the book, but I'm going to record certainly some chapters, and there is also a self-discovery section in the middle of the book that does go into the WISE method and how you can use that for your own journey of self-discovery and deepening practice of awareness, and to help you to kind of tune into your own purpose and what you're doing here. So the link for that, the course, will be in the description below. And also, if you'd like to support my work, well, you can buy the actual book on Amazon, and I really appreciate every single sale of that book. So without further ado, I'll get into the dedication and then the intro. Okay, so for all the non-human persons on the planet who speak a language that isn't always heard or felt by human ears and hearts, for all the cries and emotional distress of the farm animals that is often ignored, for those dear souls, I write this book. It is my love note for the planet and all her children. May all living persons be heard, included and loved, and for human hearts to embrace unity, empathy and compassion in our quest for a harmonious world. So, the quote is by Wallace Wattles: "The intelligent substance which is all, and in all, and which lives in all and lives in you, is a consciously living substance. Being a consciously living substance, it must have the nature and inherent desire of every living intelligence for increase of life. Every living thing must continually seek for the enlargement of its life, because life in the mere act of living must increase itself. A seed dropped into the ground springs into activity, and in the act of living produces 100 more seeds. Life, by living, multiplies itself. It is forever becoming more. It must do so if it continues to be at all." And that's the quote by Wallace Wattles. So my point with that quote really is that all life wants to expand, wants to be here. All life, by nature of being here, is already fully accepted and has purpose in being here. And that's kind of the theme around this book. So here's the introduction. In the present moment, as I write these words, humanity is standing on the threshold of a remarkable technological leap forward. Whilst we are busy marvelling at the extraordinary capabilities of artificial intelligence, there is also a great need to acknowledge the pressing importance of aligning with our own inherent wisdom, whilst also staying connected with the natural world. As AI technologies rapidly advance, we are called to consider their profound impact on humanity and our lives on Earth. In this critical moment, the significance of self-healing and discovering our unique purpose on the world stage can be a guiding light. It provides a pathway to honour our humanity amid the AI revolution and to prioritise the well-being of ourselves and the planet. In this book, we embark on a transformative journey that intertwines the realms of self-healing, purpose, and ecological stewardship. We explore the depths of personal transformation and the power within each one of us to heal, grow, and awaken to our true potential. We recognise that by addressing our own inner struggles, traumas, and limiting beliefs, we contribute to a collective healing that ripples out into the world. As AI progresses, there's a risk of disconnecting from our humanity and losing touch with nature in the process, and embracing a mechanized existence. We find ourselves on the edge of great potential, acknowledging unseen possibilities, whilst recognizing the need to preserve our human essence, our bond with the earth, and the fragile harmony of life around us. Through the exploration of self-healing and discovering our unique purpose or calling, we cultivate a profound understanding of our interconnectedness with the earth and our unique contribution to the whole. We awaken to the urgent call to become ecological stewards, actively participating in the restoration and preservation of our natural world. We recognize that our own healing and self-discovery are intricately linked to the healing of the planet, for we are but a microcosm of the greater macrocosm. And within our communities, we have the opportunity to co-create a microcosmic version of the world we desire to inhabit, placing community well-being at the forefront of all regional decision-making. In the chapters that follow, we will embark on a journey of self-reflection, self-discovery, and spiritual awakening. We will delve into practices that nourish our mind, body, and spirit, allowing us to tap into our inner wisdom and align ourselves with our true purpose. I invite you, dear reader, to join together in this pivotal moment. It is the perfect time for us to unite as individuals, as a global community, and as stewards of the earth. Together, let us embark on this profound journey of self-healing and igniting our own unique roles, fully aware that as we embrace our personal growth and healing, we become catalysts for the thriving of our planet. May this book serve as a guiding light, an inspiring discourse, empowering you to reflect on your personal choices, to heal limiting beliefs, and discover your unique role as a steward of the earth that will ultimately benefit us all in the decades to come. Thank you for your loving service to the planet. And that's the end of chapter 1. Well, no, the introduction actually. Okay, so thank you. I'm going to leave it there and move on to the next one in another video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, this is the book and it's available on Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link below for that. And also, if you're interested in actually doing the course that accompanies this book, it's also available on my website, and that's in the description below as well. And also, if you're looking for one-to-one holistic life coaching and wanting to discover your unique purpose on the earth at this time as an empathic change maker, healer, and eco-warrior, I invite you to consider working with me. Okay, love and light. See you soon. Bye.